Today we're going to be making a super easy oven-baked sausage with roasted vegetables. First we're going to cut the skin off this butternut squash. Next we're just going to cut it in half and cut it into smaller chunks. The chunks that we cut are going to be fairly large because they're actually going to shrink in the oven. Next, we're just going to drizzle with some olive oil and we'll add a little bit of sea salt. We're also going to add some smoked paprika to give it a nice smoky flavor. I will also be adding some dried oregano. And last but not least, some dried rosemary. Now I'm going to give it a good mix and make sure it's well combined. But don't make a mess. Next, I'll add it to this baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Next, I'm going to cut up these zucchinis into smaller pieces. Once they're in a bowl, I'm going to season them up with some salt and also with some more of that smoked paprika. And finally, I'm just going to give it a good mix and add some olive oil. So now I'm going to put the zucchini onto another baking sheet lined with parchment paper. And once it's all spread out, it's ready to go into the oven. So the zucchini is going to be roasted in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes. And our butternut squash is going to take about 45 minutes. Now let's get to work on that sausage. So this is an Impossible Meat Italian sausage, and we're just going to lay it onto another baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Next, I'll make 3 cuts into each sausage. And finally, I'm just going to drizzle the top with a little bit of olive oil. But make sure to massage the oil into each sausage. So now our zucchini should be done, so I'm just going to take the zucchini out of the oven and set it aside. And look at that. That is a beautiful, delicious roasted zucchini. Super tasty. So now I'm going to put the sausage into the oven on the top rack next to our roasted butternut squash. In the meantime, let's have a look at that zucchini. That was super easy to make. So our butternut squash has been in the oven for about 45 minutes, so it should be done. Wow, look at that. Super roasted and toasty. So now that everything is done cooking, it's time to plate this dinner. Just look at the caramelization on that sausage. It's amazing that that can be achieved in the oven. And so there you have a super easy sausage dinner with roasted vegetables, all done in the oven. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel for more easy and tasty recipes.